This is a submission for NASA Lunar Loo challenge, and this is the toilet design. As you can see, there is a funnel at the end of the pipe. The astronauts will urinate into this funnel. The red rod is used by the astronauts to leverage themselves to sit on the seat in microgravity. If you lift the lid open, you can see the hole into which the astronauts will poop, and also you can see the radial holes through which the air will flow as the system works through suction. You can see the vertical column in which the cups will stack. The astronauts will poop inside a cup, and these cups will stack on top of each other. Once they poop inside the cup, they'll place a new cup on top of it, they'll rotate it like a cap and push it inside. You can see the stopper stopping the cups from coming up. You can see the cups going down. The cups are on top of a platform. The platform is attached to a string. The string is wound around a spool which is connected to a spiral spring. You can see the cross section of the cup. The red layer is a thin plastic layer which has micro holes in it, so it will allow air to flow through it. As you can see, the molecules flow through the red layer, they go up and exit out radially. The blue layer is a somewhat thicker plastic and does not have any micro holes. The white part you see is a rubber o-ring. It will help in no odor getting out of those cups. Here the rubber o-ring is in red color. After pooping inside the cup, the astronauts will place a new cup on top of it. They'll rotate it like a cap and then push it inside. And once the column gets filled, the cups needs to be taken out. For doing that, we have to lift the second lid up and remove the bag inside which the cups are. We have to lift the bag and take the cups out, and we have to place a new cartridge for the new bag inside which the new cups will stack. And after that, we close the top second lid and place a new cup inside so that the next user can poop into it, and this process repeats. You can see the sprocket mechanism which will stop the motion of the platform on which the cups reside. This will help because once the second lid is open, the stoppers with it will also come up, so there is nothing stopping the cups. So this mechanism will avoid the cups from coming up during maintenance, and also they will help while rotating and pushing the cups inside. Will apply some force, so it will stop the platform from going down. Before urinating, the astronaut should push the lever so that the squeezing box will expand and the sponge inside it will also expand. Those elastic bands are trying to pull the squeezing box back inside, and after that you have to turn the rotary switch so that the wall between the pipe and the squeezing box will open and also the pump will start, and then he has to urinate inside the funnel and close the switch back, and after that the locking mechanism will release and the elastic bands will pull the squeezing box inside, thus squeezing the sponge, and while squeezing, the urine will get pushed into the white tank which you see on the left. The white part you see is a pressure valve, and the red part which you see down is a jettisoning equipment. The urine stored inside the white tank will be jettisoned out while the spacecraft it is in space, and while they are on the moon, the urine will get transferred to a removable tanks. Further, the astronauts should rotate the green rotary valve so that the urine is now directed towards the right into the removable tanks. The removable tanks will contain a urine bag to which the pipe is connected, and there are a set of tanks inside each other so that after filling up one tank they can leave it on the moon's surface and connect another tank to the pipe. Here we can see the squeezing box separately. Inside the squeezing box we have 3 layers of sponge type material with 2 layers of air breathable waterproof fabric in between them. The sponge blocks will have internal pathways through which the air and urine mixture will flow, and due to the zigzag paths the urine will get absorbed by the sponge, and after getting absorbed it will get squeezed by the elastic bands and the urine will flow to the tanks.